Hello, friends. Happy Monday. It is the last week of school, and so to celebrate the last week of school, I thought that I would do a fun book reading because I think that I only have maybe 2 books left, maybe 3 books left that I can read you. So I thought we would do this one today. And as part of our school alphabet countdown, I am wearing my blue. And I don't have any bubbles at my house, but I think later maybe I will make some bubbles in the sink because I need to do dishes. But if you have bubbles, you can go outside and blow bubbles today, or you can take a bubble bath later. How fun would that be? So today's letter B for blue and bubbles, and we're going to read a fun story, and it's called Click, Clack, Surprise. Click, clack, surprise. Do you like surprises? I like surprises. It depends on if it's a good surprise or a scary surprise. I like good surprises, like a surprise birthday party. Those are fun. It is a very big day on the farm. A cake is baking. Streamers are streaming. Mice are floating past the window. What do you think's going on? I see a cake and I see some balloons. What could be happening? Maybe a party. You're right. Let's see. The invitations have been delivered. You are invited to Little Duck's birthday party. We were right. It's a birthday party. Under the maple tree, there will be cake, games, and prizes. Pin the tail on the donkey. Uh-oh. Who crossed that out? Donkey crossed that out. Canceled by Donkey. Do you think Donkey wants his friends putting a tail on him? Probably not. Duck, duck, goose. Uh-oh. Goose looks angry. That's canceled by Goose. Steal the bacon. Canceled by Secret Someone. Who canceled the bacon game? Uh-oh, it doesn't seem like Duck's friends really like his games. Everybody wants to look their best for Little Duck's party. Duck takes a long, hot bubble bath to look his best. He rub-a-dubs, rub-a-dubs, rub-a-dubs clean and walks on over to the maple tree. Little Duck watches, then rub-a-dubs too. The sheep need a trim to look their best. They snippity-clip, snippity-clip, snippity-clip clean and walk on over to the maple tree. I don't know about you, but Miss Whitley definitely needs her hair cut just like the sheep. Little Duck watches, then snippity-clips too. Uh-oh. Little Duck probably shouldn't be cutting his own hair. The cat wants to look her best. She slurp-a-lurps, slurp-a-lurps, slurp-a-lurps clean, then walks on over to the maple tree. Little Duck watches, then slurp-a-lurps too. He's getting his feet clean. The chickens take a dust bath to look their best. They shimmy shake clean and walk on over to the maple tree. Little Duck watches, then shimmy shakes too. Uh-oh. Little Duck looks like he's making a mess. The pigs need a mud bath to feel their best. They squish and squash, squish and squash, squish and squash clean, and walk on out to the maple tree. Hey, where's the birthday party? It's underneath the maple tree. You're right. Let's see what Little Duck does next. What do you think he's going to do? You're right, he did copy the pigs. Little Duck watches. Why can't I get this book right? There we go. Little Duck watches, then squishes and squashes too. The cows like themselves just the way they are. No rub-a-dubbing, no snippety-clipping, no slurp-a-lurping, no shimmy-shaking, no squishing and squashing. They walk over to the maple tree. Farmer Brown frosts the cake, lights the candles, puts on his best hat, and walks on over to the maple tree. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... Whose birthday was it again? Uh-oh. A birthday surprise for everyone under the maple tree. Ew! What's wrong with Little Duck? He's all dirty for his party. Can you see the picture? Farmer Brown's holding up Little Duck. Look at all of the animals' faces. Looks like Little Duck got a bath. What a cute story. I hope you enjoyed today's story, Click Clack Surprise. And just like Little Duck, I hope you get to play in some bubbles today. Maybe you'll get to take a bubble bath. Maybe you'll get to go outside and blow some bubbles. But either way, I hope you have fun. Let's make it a great last week of school.